This chicken soup is a favorite in my family, and here's how I make it. In a pan with some olive oil, I start by browning the chicken breasts. These are boneless and skinless. I only need one for this recipe, but my package contained 4. I'll reserve the other 3 for a recipe later. Once they start to cook on the first side, I'll flip them over and start them cooking on the other. Season with salt and pepper. Then I add a little bit of water to just basically cover the bottom of the pan. Cover and let simmer until thoroughly cooked. Once the chicken is done, remove it from the pan, and there will be a little bit of liquid left in the bottom. Add about a tablespoon of butter to the liquid. Next, add the vegetables. I have fresh shredded carrot, onion, and celery. Let those simmer for a few minutes and then add 2 diced potatoes. These are Yukon Gold. Season with salt and black pepper and a little bit of thyme. Go ahead and stir those in. Next, add 1/4 cup of flour and mix that in. Once the flour is well combined, add 1 box of chicken stock and add a bay leaf. Cover the pan and let it simmer until you can pull a potato out, poke it with a fork, and squish it with the back of the fork. You know it's done. Cut your 1 chicken breast up and add it to the pan. I like bite-sized pieces. Stir the chicken in and let it cook so the chicken can warm up. Then remove the bay leaf. After you've removed the bay leaf, add some heavy cream, between 1/4 to 1/2 cup. Stir in the cream and let it heat until it comes to a bubble. Once you see it start bubbling, you can turn off the heat and it's time to serve. I hope you enjoy this soup as much as my family does. Thanks for watching.